Hey guys, it's me, Minisquishypastels, and today I have a squishy package, as you can see, and I think I know what's in here, so let's just get started. So I'm going to open it. It's hard to open. I got the island shortcake. It's so beautiful. And it's really nice packaging. I think there is some more stuff in here. Yep, that's it. So this seller gave me extras. And they are these little candies. She gave me 3 of them. It's very nice. She didn't have to. And let's see, open. Oh, sorry, downstairs. Someone's hanging on the door. And here's the note. I got this from thekawaiitreasurebox on Mercari. So it says, "Thank you for pregnancy. Hope you just enjoy." And from the thekawaiitreasurebox. So what I got was this island shortcake, and it smells so good. And she sold it to me brand new in packaging, and I am obsessed. It's so cute. I can smell it right now. It smells so good. You ready? Oh my goodness. It's so squishy. I'm in love with this squishy. Oh, it's so pretty. So that's all I purchased from the thekawaiitreasurebox, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!